Welcome to this YouTube channel, Biafran latest updates. On this channel, I do any breaking news concerning Biafrans or latest updates about Biafrans or our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Please do watch this video to the end. Write on the comment section what you think about the video. In this channel, all opinions do count, so write what you think on the comment section. And if you like what I do on this channel, please don't forget to click on the red subscribe button and turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be amongst the first to be notified. May God bless you as you do so, and I'll see you on my next video. Guys, let's watch the video together.
Wonderful people of Biafra, lovers of freedom all over the world, you are welcome to Biafra Unite channel / television this very moment. There's a voice I'm going to play for you right now. This is what happened today on Radio Biafra. Today's date is 28th of July 2021. There is an Hausa man who called on Radio Biafra. You know, I wanted this very broadcast to be a kind of discussion that people will be able to call in and air their views. But having said that, you still have every opportunity to write and air your views on the comment section, because whatever you write, we are seeing everything you're writing on the comment section and we are taking them into cognition. So this very voice that I'm going to play to you right now is what happened today on Radio Biafra, where an Hausa man called in and said a lot of things. And he said so many things very meaningful. Very, very meaningful. And I'm very sure as at this very point in time, the DOS must have listened to that very broadcast and they must have heard the voice and the wordings of that very Hausa man. From my own point of view, everything that very man said was truth. That is how I see it. You know, sometimes it is good for you to be criticized. Sometimes you take blames. Because if everybody is praising you, you'll be making mistakes even when you are not aware that you are making mistakes. But sometimes take criticism. Go back to your house, reason it, you know, put it on the table and do your proper calculation. Search yourself in and out and you will see where you have those errors, then you correct them. That's why sometimes it's good for you to take criticism. Not that everybody that criticizes you is your hater. No. Sometimes they love you. They talk. This very Hausa man loves Biafrans. He loves Igbos. He loves what we are doing. He wants us to be free so that themselves will be free. He said it. You are going to listen to it. Don't be in a hurry. We are not going to make further analysis after the voice. We just analyze briefly right now. Then we play you the voice. From there we round up the video. Yes, because they don't have Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Hausa land. They don't have Sunday Igboho in Hausa land, and I don't think they are ready to have, because of what? Fulani Wakburoha. Fulani have taken over everywhere in the north. So raising any Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in the north will be very, very difficult for them, because before you even start your program, they would have killed you immediately. They will eliminate you. Not even the government. Ordinary Fulani man will eliminate you on the street. So it's very, very tight for Hausa man, for Hausa community in the north to have Nnamdi Kanu in their midst. Very, very difficult. So them, they are relying on us. They are believing on us because they love what we are doing. They don't like this Nigeria. There is no any sane Hausa man that will tell you that he or she is proud of Nigeria. That is the gospel truth. You are going to hear it right now from the horse's mouth, and then come to the comment section straight. Let us debate this. Let us analyze this. We are taking order from the office of DOS. Now you have to write on the comment section, say your mind, because they are watching. The DOS is also watching this very platform. They know here. And they read your comments as well. So we need to debate this. What are we supposed to do? What should we do? Yes, are we supposed to take our destiny in our own hands immediately, or should we continue waiting, going to the court and the regular adjournment? Because by now, I don't know. I'm not going to decide, but they say majority carries the vote. What we are doing in abroad, what our people are doing in abroad is very, very fantastic. I'm not going to lie. I love it. I cherish it. But what are we doing back home? So let us analyze listen to the voice first, the voice of the Hausa man, then let every one of us, everybody, I want to have more than 1,000 comments on this very news. I want everybody to speak their mind, and the same way you are talking, the DOS and the leadership of IPOB, they're also watching and reading. Thank you. Let us go there. Listen to the voice first, and then make your contribution down the comment section. Thank you.
For the youth of Biafra, you people, I'm sorry to use this word, but most of you are cowards. You don't know your left and rights. If you know your left and rights, most of the evil that's happening in your country, in your state, will not happen, because most of your governors are the pioneer of your problems. We know all what we are telling you. Most of your governors, most of the electorals, they are the problem you are facing. You have to face them first, so that they will come to the government and talk to the government. Then we say the right thing. You force them to say the truth. You must force them. You must force them to say the truth, because if you didn't force them, they will not say the truth. Why? Because they are getting a lot from the government than you. You are in Nigeria going to school, or you are in Biafra going to school, but their children are outside. Their children are there doing well. Most of them has a ghost account where they pack their money. Their fifth generation cannot even finish it. How do you expect them to say the truth where they say the road, where they know that the road will block? So it's time for you people to stand up, you people to say the truth. And anything is beyond, anything you can do to plead the person that's saying the truth, you should do it, because our people want to hold Mazi and Kanu into their custody until the 2023 election, so that they will execute their plans. I'm telling you nothing but the truth. I'm telling you from the right source. If you like to believe me, if you like don't believe me, but you will see it happening. That is, if you did not rise up now, this is the time. Don't put yourself in a tight corner, because your great grandchildren are going to suffer for this. Thank you very much, Mr. Broadcaster, and Allah bless you. Thank you very much. That is the reason why you see, whenever animal is ruling the country, he will always rule it to left side. But my problem with your people is, most of your people are very, very stupid. Your youth cannot do something that will provoke the government, because if your youth knows that they love their leaders, they're supposed to show by example. But most of them went to home and sit. Even the other day we went to Abuja, I saw one idiot, one monkey was talking ill of your leader. But your people there, no one can take something and hit him down there. But if it is here in Arewa, I can kill him and go for jail. Why? Because even though your leader went to jail, today he has his family, he has everything about him. Today he was suffering in jail because of you. Why can't you do a little sacrifice to enable you to be free? And us will be free, because if you are free, we are also free. Fulani people will leave our lands. We will rule ourselves. We will rule yourself. We will do collective effort, or do 3 countries together. We can make something out of nothing. But our people don't have stupid. Your people are very, very stupid. Your youth mostly, they don't know their rights and rights. If it is here in Arewa, if something happen, we will burn everywhere. We will burn everywhere. Let them go and hold Shekiguni. Shekiguni was negotiating with the bandits. But nobody has talked of him. Somebody that was not in the country. You went outside the country and catch him and brought him back. But you are somebody, you are with somebody in the country. You can't hold the person and you travel out of the country. Why can't we ask ourselves some questions? Now I want our people to stand up, and we will fight for our rights. No matter who is concerned, we don't bloodily care. You heard him say that we will be our own unknown government. This time, no mercy, regulation of ruling of the country. That is the reason why you see, whenever animal is ruling the country, he will always rule it to left side. But my problem with your people is, most of your people are very, very stupid. Your youth cannot do something that will provoke the government, because if your youth knows that they love their leaders, they're supposed to show by example. But most of them went to home and sit. Even the other day we went to Abuja, I saw one idiot, one monkey was talking ill of your leader. But your people there, no one can take something and hit him down there. But if it is here in Arewa, I can kill him and go for jail. Why? Because even though your leader went to jail, today he has his family, he has everything about him. Today he was suffering in jail because of you. Why can't you do a little sacrifice to enable you to be free? And us will be free. Because if you are free, we are also free. Fulani people will leave our lands. We will rule ourselves, we will rule yourself. We will do collective effort or do three countries together. We can make something out of nothing. But our people don't have stupid. Your people are very, very stupid. Your youth mostly. They don't know their rights and rights. If it is here in Iowa, if such thing happen, we will vote everywhere. We will vote everywhere. Let them go and watch it. Shekiguni was negotiating with the bandits, but nobody has talked of him. Somebody that was not in the country. You went outside the country and catch him and brought him back. But you are somebody. You are with somebody in the country. You can't hold the person and you travel out of the country. Why can't we ask ourselves some questions?